A data center is a facility used to store and manage computer systems and associated components. It typically includes servers, storage systems, networking equipment, and a large amount of cooling to maintain optimal performance. Data centers are critical for the operation of business, supporting applications that require high data processing and storage capacities. In a modern data center, thousands of servers work together to handle massive amounts of data and provide services to users worldwide. These centers are equipped with advanced security features including surveillance cameras, fire suppression systems, and backup power supplies. The design of a data center must consider efficiency, redundancy, and scalability to accommodate growing data needs. Virtualization technology allows multiple virtual servers to run on a single physical server, optimizing resource usage. Many data centers are built to meet specific compliance requirements, ensuring data privacy and security standards are met. Cloud computing has transformed traditional data centers, enabling scalable and flexible access to resources. Data centers have various tiers, indicating the level of reliability and uptime they provide. Industry leading data centers often prioritize renewable energy resources and reduce their carbon footprint. With the rise of big data, the demand of data centers continues to grow as more businesses rely on data driven decision making. The future of data centers includes innovations such as edge computing, which brings computation and data storage close to the source of data. Ultimately, data centers are the backbone of the digital world, powering everything from social media to e-commerce and beyond. The Indian data center industry is rapidly progressing, driven by increasing digitalization and the demand for data storage. Government initiatives and favorable policies are further supporting the growth of the vital sector. The rise of cloud computing and artificial intelligence is creating a surge in demand for data centers. Investments in infrastructure are expanding, making the industry more robust and competitive. With increasing internet penetration, more users are relying on data centers for connectivity and services. The focus on sustainability and energy efficiency is shaping the future of data centers in India. Key players are entering into the market, bringing innovation and cutting edge technology. Regional disparities are diminishing as data center operations expand across various cities. India is becoming a preferred destination for global companies seeking to establish data centers. The industry is not just about storage but also about empowering business to leverage data for growth. Job creation in the technology sector is soaring, benefiting local economies and communities. As the demand continues to rise, the potential for growth seems limitless. The India data center industry is indeed a sunrise industry full of opportunities yet to be explored. Major Indian industry groups such as Reliance via Jio, Adani through Adani Connects, Bharti and Tata are actively setting up data centers operations. These are often captive centers for their own business but are also offered as a service to others requiring cloud computing services. So, investing directly in the data center divisions of these large conglomerates is presented as difficult because they typically lack a standalone listing. For example, Adani's data center efforts are part of Adani Enterprises. If you want to invest in Adani, then you have to go to Adani Enterprises. Then Jio's data centers are part of Reliance Industries. So, investing in these companies provides exposure to multiple sectors, not just data centers. There are three specific Indian companies said to be directly benefiting from the growth of data center industry. First one is E2E Networks. The second one is NetWave Technologies and third one is Blackbox Limited. Now let's discuss technical and fundamental analysis of these three companies. The first one in the list is E2E Networks. The market cap of 5,728 crore, but stock P is bit high, 121. Sales growth of 73%, whereas sales growth of 3 years is 46%. ROE not that impressive. ROE of 3 year also not impressive. Promoter holding 43.6%, whereas pledge percentage is 56.2%, which is negative for this company. FI holding 3.82%. Now let's check the technical charts. Technical charts, you can see 5,600 is the top. From here you can see like 50%, there is a 50% of correction. After that it is recovering now, and it's a good sign that it 10 DEMA and 20 DEMA is crossing 200 DEMA, which is positive sign for this. Next company in the list is NetWave Technologies. NetWave Technologies, you can see the stock P of 98.9. Now the market cap of 11,326 crore, book value is 93, ROE, impressive ROE. You can see the ROE of 3 years is also impressive. Sales growth is also very impressive, 58.7%. Sales growth of 3 years also very impressive, 66.9%. Promoter holding 71%, which is also very nice for this company. There is no pledge percentage, which is also good for this company. Very less debt. So overall, it's a very good company to invest. Final one is the free cash flow, which is negative. Now let's check the technical analysis. Technical analysis, you can see the top is around 3000. From 3000, it corrected almost 1200 to 1300, more than 50%, around 60%. After that, you can see the base here in around 1300, and after strong base, it is now performing well. From 1300 to now it is 2000 level, and very good sign that it is now 10 and 20 DEMA is trying to cross 200 DEMA, which is a good sign. The next level could be 2400. The final one in the list is Black Box Limited, currently priced at 516, market cap of 8,745 crore. P is good, like 32.8, ROE very impressive, 43%. Sales growth is not that at all good, and sales growth of 3 years is also that not impressive. ROE of 3 year is impressive. Free cash flow positive, which is good for this company. Debt is 942 crore. Promoter holding 70%, 70.5%, which is good. There is no pledge percentage, which is also good. FI holding 4.7%. Apart from sales growth, all others seems to be good. So just review the sales growth after the next quarter, then only you can take your investment decisions. Black box, after top of 700, now it corrected almost 50%, and after this now it is recovering till 516, and it is also positive that it is crossing 10 and 20 DEMA is crossing 200 DEMA, and there is a high possibility of reaching to 650 level. We have discussed fundamental and technical analysis of these three companies. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you so much.